Today I'm going to demonstrate one way that you can change out your current light fixture for a ceiling fan. What's going on? Welcome to today's video. My name is Colton, and today I'm going to be demonstrating one way that you can change out your current light fixture. In my case, it's a boob light. Not an official term, but still a term that if you talk to someone, they know exactly what you're talking about. But changing out my current light fixture for a ceiling fan, I purchased a Hunter fan. I know in the video I say Hunter, but it's Hunter. It's a Hunter fan. Now this installation is going to be on a flat, no angled, not a high ceiling. It's all standard. And so before you install, you'll want to ask yourself a couple questions. One, is your ceiling tall enough that you're going to need an extension rod? If so, you'll need to research that and know how low you want to go. Two, is the clearance from the fan blades to the floor at least 7 feet? You'll want to ask yourself, is the fan mount going to be installed on an angled ceiling? If the angle of the ceiling is 35 degrees or more, you'll actually need to purchase a special angled mount for this fan. Other than that, if it's all standard basic ceiling height and you just want to switch out a light fixture for the ceiling fan, keep watching. The tools that I use for this demonstration will be down below in the description, so if you have any questions, let me know. Now the time that it took me to complete this project was probably about an hour to an hour and a half, so let's get started. Go to the boob light that you want to replace with the fan. I kept the power on, ran to my power box, flip the breaker that powers the light, and make sure it turns off. Now with this light being on previously, it may be hot, so wait for this glass cover to cool down, and the light bulbs inside to cool down. Remove the glass cover. This can be a simple twist, or there may be a nut that you need to loosen, and remove the light bulbs. So with this light fixture, typically there's 2 screws that's holding up this light fixture. I would suggest putting down a blanket or cloth or something, because when you remove this fixture, it's very likely that you'll have sheetrock, paint, fiberglass, all coming down to your furniture below. Now there's a couple ways you can take this fixture off. You can loosen the screws, twist the fixture, and then slip it down like I'm doing here, or you can just remove the screws entirely. Now this fixture is light enough that you can actually just let it hang here for a minute. You're going to want to disconnect this fixture entirely from the wiring in your home. Usually you'll see a black wire or a red wire, that's your hot, white is your neutral, and copper is your ground. Remove all the caps, untwist the wires, and remove the fixture. Also do a voltage test just so you don't get shocked. And remove this bracket that was holding your old light fixture by removing these 2 screws entirely. You're going to install a new bracket with this specific Hunter fan that I'm using, and this old bracket just gets in the way. Grab your box, crack it open, take out all the stuff, grab this fan mount or bracket, attach this to the electrical box using the same screw holes, grab your fan motor, remove this screw, take the wiring of the motor, feed it through this hollow pipe. I honestly don't know what this thing's called, but it has a rubber thing at the end. That's going to go to the mounting bracket that you previously installed. Twist it on, tighten it up, take the screw that you removed, put that back on, take some pliers, make sure it's tight, grab this cover, slip it over, and it's kind of shaped like a triangle, so line up the holes, let that be loose. Bring this motor up to the light outlet, and then you're going to take that rubber boot and just slip it into the bracket so it's freely rocking. So when the fan spins, this is actually self-balancing and it stays steady. Now it's time to connect all your wires. So you'll notice that the actual motor has a green wire coming from it. That's its ground. Then it has these blue, black, and white wires, and we'll get to those in a minute. And then the bracket actually has a ground wire to it as well. So what I'm going to do is take all of the green wires and the copper wire that's coming from the house and connect all of them. So I'm gonna cut it, strip it, twist it, and I'm gonna twist so it's clockwise, because when I put on the cap and twist clockwise to tighten it, it'll make sure that connection is really tight. Do the same thing to your white wires. Cut it, strip it, twist it, cap it, and then take your black and blue wires and connect all those to the black wire that's coming from the home. Take all your wires and shove them up into the ceiling. Take this cover, put it over the bracket, make sure the holes align. Take your screw, tighten it up. Now for the blades. Grab the hardware, the grommet, screws, and decide which side of the fan blade you want down. Put the grommets in the screw holes. This is going to protect the hole and not ruin the blade. Take the hardware, put it on the side that you want showing down. Take the screws and screw it in from the other side. Do this 5 times. Go back to the motor and you're going to unscrew all these plastic pieces that are in the way for where the fan blades go. Install the fan blades. When you're installing the fan blades, don't be afraid of the whole motor tilting a little bit because of that weight that's coming down. After you install all the fan blades, you'll be fine. Remove the rubber band for the wires, and I'm going to screw in 2 screws. You'll notice here that there's 3 holes where screws go. How this was designed is actually you screw in 2, put this plate on, twist it on, and then you take the 3rd and tighten it on. It's a good way for added security that these covers don't slip off, especially while the fan's moving. Once you have the plate on, tighten up all the screws, then take the actual light fixture, connect the wires, and you'll notice that there's 2 letters that'll say A to A. Line those up, make sure it clicks, and you're going to do the same thing you just did. Add in 2 screws to the outside, hook on the light fixture, take a 3rd screw, screw it into the hole, fastening the 2 screws down. Take your light bulbs, put those in the sockets, loosen the screws for the covers to go on, grab the covers, slip them on, tighten the screws down, connect the chains, go back down to your breaker, flip the switch on, go back to your fan, and test it out. And now you're done. Thank you so much for checking out today's video. If you liked what you just watched, go ahead and consider subscribing and also hit the like button down below. If you want to see other how-to videos just like this, go ahead and click this link right up here. Click on this little face to subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.